Hello, I'm Yunso from Dongguk University DTM Lab. Today I'll be presenting a paper review on the topic extracting technical problems from patent text to support innovation. First, here is the bibliographic information of the paper. This study was published in 2026 in the Journal of Technovation. The following are the keywords and highlights in this study. The presentation follows the same structure as the paper. Companies are increasing their technology intelligence activities to gain a competitive advantage. Technology intelligence supports organizational decision-making through technological information. Patents are an external source of information that can be used for technology intelligence. Recently, analytical methods have been studied to transform large-scale patent data into technology intelligence. Patents contain information about technical solutions and technical problems. Analyzed technical problems can support technology benchmarking and technology opportunity discovery. However, previous studies have mainly focused on technical solutions, and there is a lack of research that systematically analyzes technical problems. In addition, there is no framework for transforming extracted technical problems into technology intelligence. The study proposed a method for extracting technical problems from patents by integrating expert knowledge and machine learning. It also proposed a framework for structuring the extracted technical problems and transforming them into technology intelligence using topic modeling, association rule analysis, and network analysis. The proposed method is applied to electric vehicle battery patents to show its potential for technology opportunity discovery and identifying potential collaboration partners. There are two main research questions. First, how can technical problems be extracted from patent text? Second, how can the extracted technical problems be transformed into technology intelligence? Technological innovation develops through the process of solving technical problems. Since the initial definition of a technical problem has a major impact on the result, it is important to identify the problem accurately. TRIZ is a method for solving technical problems, but it has a limitation in that it focuses on idea generation. Patents contain both technical problems and solutions, but they are difficult to analyze manually. This study aims to extract and analyze technical problems from patents. Patents contain various types of technological information, but their complex document structure and large amount of data require efficient analysis. Patent text analysis for this purpose can be divided into keyword-based, topic-based, and document-based approaches as shown in Table 1. However, even in large-scale patent analysis, information labeling still depends heavily on experts, which requires time and cost. In addition, previous studies have focused only on certain sections of patents and have not fully used information from various sections. This study aims to combine expert knowledge with patent text analysis and extract technological information using various types of information from patent documents. There are heuristic-based and machine learning-based approaches for extracting technological information from patent text. Heuristic-based approaches rely on predefined patterns which can lead to information bias. Machine learning-based approaches require time and cost for expert labeling to build the initial training data, but they can be used for large-scale analysis. This study aims to extract technical problems from patent text using a machine learning-based approach. This study proposed a method for extracting and structuring technical problems from patent text and transforming them into technology intelligence. It integrates sentence embeddings, machine learning-based classification, topic modeling, and network analysis. Experts classify some technical problem sentence, and a model is trained using this rubber sentence to reduce the cost and limitations of expert-based analysis. The research process consists of three main stages. First, stage 1 collects and pre-processes patent data in the target field. In stage 2, a technical problem database is built by combining expert opinions with the machine learning classification model. Finally, in stage 3, topic modeling and network analysis are applied to the technical problem database to identify technical problem topics and their hierarchical structure. In stage 1, the data is collected and pre-processed. First, a specific search query is created and patent documents are collected from the USPTO. This study selects the background section of patent for analysis to extract technical problems. The background section may have different names per patent. Therefore, these section names are standardized to build the dataset for analysis. Stage 2 proposes a method for extracting technical problems from patents. First, the background section of each patent is divided into sentences to extract candidate sentence. Candidate sentences are sentences that are likely to contain information about technical problems. This study builds a technical problem classifier by combining expert knowledge and machine learning. Experts determine whether the background sentence from randomly selected patents contain technical problems. When the experts have different opinions, the sentences are re-evaluated to build label training data. Label 1 indicates that the sentence contains technical problem information, while label 0 indicates that it does not. Then the sentences are converted into vectors through sentence embedding and used as independent variables, while whether the sentence contains a technical problem is set as the dependent variable for model training. The trained classifier is applied to the background sentences to extract technical problem sentence and build a technical problem database. For patents where technical problems cannot be directly extracted, technical problems from similar patents are assigned based on the similarity of plain text. Finally, the technical problem sentences are linked to the application numbers of the corresponding patents. In stage 3, the technical problem database is transformed into meaningful technology intelligence. For this purpose, topic modeling, association rule mining, and network analysis are applied. First, topic modeling is applied to the technical problem database to identify key technical problem topics. The identified topics are linked with the applicant and application year metadata to analyze changes in technical problems over time. The hierarchical structure is built using the co-occurrence of multiple technical problem topics within a single patent. General technical problems are at the higher level and appear in many patents. Specific technical problems are at the lower level and appear only in certain patents. Association rule mining is used to calculate support and confidence and identify dependencies and hierarchical relationships between topics. Based on the association rule mining research, a directed graph is constructed and community detection is applied to organize similar technical problems into modules. Technical problem topics are represented as nodes, and the confidence values from association rule mining are represented as edges. In each module, the topic with the High theory is structured as the general technical problem, while the connected detailed topics are structured as specific technical problems. For patents where technical problems cannot be directly extracted, the most similar patents are identified based on their claims, and the technical problems of those patents are assigned. Technical problems are linked with metadata to conduct time series analysis and portfolio analysis. Time series analysis is used to identify trends. In addition, portfolio analysis is conducted by using the cumulative number of patents as volume and the growth rate as growth to identify relative importance and priorities. The study focuses on the electric vehicle battery field, where technological innovation is rapidly progressing. About 6,000 electric vehicle battery patent documents are collected from the USPTO. Then pre-processing is performed to extract the background section, which mainly contains information about technical problems. The patent background sections are divided into sentences, and the sentences are extracted. Among these patents, 100 patents are randomly selected for expert classification. The 100 patents contain about 1,000 sentences. Three experts with more than 3 years of experience conduct the classification. Independently rubber whether a sentence contains a technical problem. A sentence is classified as a technical problem if an list to experts assign it rubber one, and sentences with disagreement are liberated. Patent sentences are embedded using patent portal, and the technical problem classifier is trained using the expert classification results. The trained technical problem classifier is applied to all background sentences. About 30% of the sentences are identified as technical problem sentence, and a technical problem database is built. Sentences that exceed the range limit are excluded from the technical problem database, and about 88% of the sentences are used for analysis. The topic is then applied to the technical problem sentence, resulting in a total of 43 technical problem topics. One or more technical problem topics are assigned to each patent, and further analysis is conducted based on these topics. Association rule mining is performed based on the co-occurrence of technical problem topics within patents. A total of 33 association rules are identified. Based on these rules, a directed network is constructed with technical problem topics as nodes and confidence values as edges. In addition, 4 modules are identified through modularity analysis, and each module represents a group of similar technical problems. For about 40% of the patents that are not assigned to major technical problems, the most similar technical problems are assigned based on claim similarity. Finally, technical problems are assigned to all patents except 94 patents. Then time series and portfolio analysis are conducted for Module A. The portfolio is constructed using the cumulative number of patents as volume and CAGR as growth. 6 and 10 are identified as major problems with large volumes, while topics 21, 26, and 27 are identified as emerging problems with high growth. In particular, topic 0 is a key technical problem that has been continuously raised. Partners or technology transfer targets are identified based on each company's need to solve a specific technical problem and its technological capability. Technology strength is calculated and used for this analysis. Companies with a high need to solve the problem but low technological capability are collaboration seekers, while companies with high technological capability are technology providers. Module A are analyzed to examine the relative positions of companies and their potential for collaboration. In topic 26, there is potential for collaboration between Hyundai, which has relatively low technological capability, and Mitsubishi, which has high technological capability. Topic 0, the study analyzed how the technical problem changes over time. It analyzed changes in the concentration of technology providers and changes in technology keywords. The patent with the highest number of poor citations is selected as the representative patent, and the applicant with the patent showing the highest technological capability is selected as the representative applicant. The proposed method shows that expert labeling can achieve high performance at a low cost compared to fully annotating the entire dataset. It shows that combining a small amount of expert knowledge with machine learning can be an efficient alternative. Technical problem-based patent analysis can be used differently depending on the level of decision making. There are three main applicants: strategic opportunity identification, tactical threat recognition, and operational current state assessment. A method for extracting technical problems from patents and transforming them into technology intelligence. Through this method, companies can understand the process of technological development and use the results for R&D strategy development and for identifying collaboration partners and technology providers. In the future, more in-depth analysis will be possible if a database linking technical problems with technical solutions is developed. However, this study also has several limitations. First, the model is influenced by expert judgment, and there are also cost issues. Future research needs to examine the potential use of generative AI. In addition, since the method was applied only to a single technological field, there are limitations to its generalization. In the future, domain-specific methods or further validation will be needed. Thank you for listening.